A few months ago, we set the world record for the smallest sib to cross the Irish Sea, and this is the story of our return journey. Here at Outside Your Zone, it's safety yanced, so for this mission we left the punctured boat and the temperamental Johnson engine behind. Because of this, we would have to rely on the two Boatworld 420s, a Suzuki 15 horsepower and a Yamaha 25, backed up with the Malta 4 horsepower, to deliver us safely across 40 miles of sea to the mainland. We had been waiting for the perfect weather window, and today seemed perfect. But the Irish Sea is renowned for how rapidly the conditions can change. The resident Robin could sense our departure and came to bless the return journey.
Easy! Best be getting the crocs in spouts mode, eh? Sported.
Sportsmanship.
We're away.
Away!
Any last words?
I love you, Mum.
Outside your zone! Outside your zone!
What's up, my boys?
Outside your zone! We're about to leave Laxey Harbour to head for St. Bees. Wish us luck. The weather looks calm, it's looking good. Outside your zone. Outside your zone! O-Y-Z! 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 Get up! 1, 2, 3, lift!
As we took our final steps on the island, the amazing experiences and kind people we met here came to mind. Butch and his son, who helped us fix the Johnson engine and kindly hosted us at the boathouse. Monkey Dick's Adventures and Mark Shaw, who we randomly bumped into whilst out for a kebab. Monkey bikes, hard not pass. We're doing hard not pass.
I've been after doing that myself as well. So
here's some of the footage from that adventure, and the full video is coming very soon. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And of course, the Isle of Man, Salt Bay.
Yes! Yes!
And with that, we said our last goodbye to the Isle of Man and set off on what we thought would be a peaceful passage.
Get up the boys! Get up the boys! We're on the way to St. Bees Head now. It's calm, it's pretty nice. Sun's out. Guns out! You might not be able to see this on the GoPro, but the boys are over there, hugging the coastline. Get up.
I could see that the red sail was stationary, so I went to investigate.
What's crap?
Yeah, the flip board's doing it now. Like that.
Oh, is it not?
The AA can't save you in the sea, so we recommend that you bring a reliable spare engine. Our choice is the bulletproof 4-horse Yamaha Malta.
Okay, sail away. Right. Set boys.
Alright. Sugar long, boys. See you in St. Bees Friday.
Right, the boys couldn't be asked to refuel before they set off to St. Bees. So the engine died when it ran out of fuel, and the pull start's now disconnected from the inside. So the 4 horses in early on.
There they are.
Luckily the sea's in a good state, so we'll be alright.
5 knots.
That's good. How many miles? 4 miles to go.
5 hours, coaches.
5 hours.
Decent tan legs, aren't they?
Innit, hey, get them tanned.
Get the legs out.
Leg day. So we're going to swap me out for Tom now.
Our current top speed is 5 knots. We've got 25 miles left to go, so 5 hours.
Don't get sunburned, and as well when you're in the boats, most of the sunburn when you're boating comes from reflection on the water, so you need to put sun cream on places where you don't normally, like under your chin, under your eyes, because of the reflection of the light. Alright, don't get sunburned. Don't get sunburned. Don't get sunburned. The 4 horse is away. See you later. That's a gannet. So the boys are having themselves a triple scenic. Triple. Sam's away in the fore, keeping the progress going. I've changed the pitch on the propeller, gonna have them a little bit less drag, so hopefully we might get 5.5 knots out of the 4 horsepower. But I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but there's England.
We've all got ourselves re-creamed and we're gonna catch up with Sam on the 4 horsepower. He's actually not making that bad of ground. Let's get it. Sun's out, fun's out.
Nature Valley, get in touch.
What are those? Hello. That's gone underwater.
Red sail to Mary Joan for 17.41 nautical miles to go. An update on my speed, 5 knots, continuing at 5 knots. Over and out.
Get up.
That 4 horse will be in the OIC museum.
Need a fucking golden case, bro. For just being an absolute hero.
Now we'll get it in the Manx Motor Museum next to the jet ski.
Underneath it, English Romeo.
Oh, this 4 horse is so slow. But there's the Isle of Man. We're about 15 nautical miles away. There's a bunch of guillemots just floating along the surface. They don't seem too bothered by my presence. They're such cool birds. Alright, fellas. See you later. And there's some bees.
Mary Joan 420, this is the red sail, do you read?
Receiving loud and clear, Redsail.
We are now officially halfway. I repeat, we are now officially halfway. Outside your sword! Get up!
Just a little bit of sea cucumber. I like get a bit of salt on it, nice.
Seasoned. We're about halfway in. We can clearly see Sempe's head, and we're all having a good time. Apart from Sam, he's on his own.
11 miles, coaches. 11 miles.
One more mile and we'll hand over Ramsdale.
Get up, get up!
I'm getting in yours now.
Checkers on the way.
Whoa.
James will go under the water. So me and Ramsey have been left with the 4 horse while the boys speed off, and they're literally out of sight. We're in the middle of the sea with no one around, and the 4 horse is so slow that we're gonna get out and swim back. It would be faster to get out and swim back.
I might just actually hitch a ride on a dolphin or something like.
For the last 0.3 miles, we've been passing the time by freestyle rapping.
And we are sick like.
And we're sick like. Sit out.
We're really close now. I would say 2 to 3 miles offshore. We can see St. Bees, so we're feeling really good about that. And we are starting to feel quite accomplished, and it's setting in that we have actually achieved what we set out to achieve.
Get in!
Outside your zone!
Outside your
Took
zone!
the outside your zone, kings.
It's currently 3 o'clock. Ramsey and I are 6.46 miles away. Get it.
Almost there.
4 horse is getting us through.
Still being a hero.
But right now, I wish I had Snake on the GPS. Garmin, if you're watching this, put Snake on the GPS for moments like these.
We're almost there now. I'm gonna drop Alex and Cobbo off and all the stuff. We're gonna go back out to find Sam and Tom, so we can take some of the weight off the 4 horsepower engine. Hopefully make it a bit quicker for them boys arriving. OIZ! Get up! We're here! Yes!
Right,
Up, kill it and up. We've done it. We've actually done it, boys.
Okay, so I'm on the way out back to look for the Redesdale. Looking for Sam and Tom. I can't see them yet. I'm sure I'll find them soon. Get up!
St Bees itself is coming into view. Me and Ramsey smashing it with the 4-horse.
Powering on.
Get up. Down. Here comes Robbie Midders. Way! Here comes Robbie Midders. Get up.
Right, so I found them.
There they are. Yeah, man. What are you saying?
Not a lot, you?
5 miles.
Yeah, I'm coming to pick one of you up so you can get more speed out of that.
Yeah.
Hey?
No
Do you want a tow?
I feel like it's faster.
Would it?
I don't know. Can't be asked now.
Never leave a man behind, the Omega grind set.
Never leave a man behind. Get up.
Omega!
Our trip to the gem of the Irish Sea has been one of the most challenging and fulfilling experiences of our lives. We would like to thank everyone who's believed in us and made these missions possible.
Jesus! The pilgrimage that we have completed!
Jesus was with us.
Thank you, Jesus. After pulling up the 15, me and Rob rowed into shore. Now we just needed Sam, and outside his zone would have fully completed our spectacular week that was the Isle of Man mission.
All the boys have been utter heroes on this journey, and it's really brought us closer as a team. So get up the OYZ Kings. Get up. We're about 3 miles out, just enough time for one more nature valley. We're almost there. It's 4:10, and we're so close. Get up.
The absolute 4-horse hero did about 20-something miles with a 4-horse. That man is a ruthality.
We're about to land at St Bees. Oh, this has been some journey. I'm about to pull out the engine. In 3, 2, 1. Yes! Keep on! Keep on! I can't believe it!
Get up!
Get up there, boys, eh?
And we made it.
Outside your zone,
Outside
we
the
made
zone.
it! We finally made it! Oh my god, with the 4-horse. Hey, I'm gonna give the motor a kiss. But that's us so well. Done us so well. Key man, outside your zone. Isle of Man crossing. We finally arrived in St Bees. The long crossing over with the 4 horsepower. And I'm glad to be on dry land, I'll tell you that.
It's been an incredible week, and an incredible crossing as well. Both of them have been challenging in their own way, and the 4 horse has saved us both time. It's been unreal. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching OYZ.
Subscribe to OYZ.
We're all packed away, and now we're tucking into a lovely homemade meal by our friend Dick. He's got us some fresh bread, some fresh casserole. I just had a taste, and it is unbelievable. Just what we needed.
Thank you very much, Dick.
You're very welcome, chaps.
He was the one who provided us the EPIRB and all of the gear.
Yeah.
So heroic contribution. Thank you very much, Dick.